Hi everyone, I am Partha Pratim Karan and welcome to Product Management Consulting Platform. This time we are going to talk about transitioning into product management. Here, brief about my educational background. I did my postgrad from Indian Institute of Management into Information Technology Management and Analytics. Earlier, I did my bachelor's into Electronics Engineering. Today, I'll go with storytelling. First, I'll start with my professional journey and product bonding with me. And later, I'll come up with self-evaluation checklist while transitioning into product management and much more. Here, I'm splitting up my journey as per product particle I worked on or working on. Same time, I'll be trying to correlate how I create a core bonding with products. I started my journey with Genpact. That time I used to work for GE Water and Power. The domain was like supply chain management and procurement. That time I not used to work into product management. I was working as an associate into analytics. Then I started working with Litmus World. They are into core customer experience management. I started working over there as a software engineer and slowly got a wide range of flavor of product management. Means from requirement coming to till delivery, a scratch product development from MVP phase to move on towards the maturity phase. So I gain a wide range of knowledge into product management over there. I got to know what is called product, what code product management, agile methodology, and much more I learned over there. Means entire software development life cycle, I had a hand-on experience over there. So I'm really glad to say that I learned a lot from there. Later on, I started working with Value First. They are into digital communication channel or omnichannel product. They have wide range of product like SMS, email, push notification, chatbot, IVR solution. For each product, also they have a exposed API. So we got a wide range of opportunity to work with directly client, try to understand their use case. According to their use case, sometimes we come up with the best possible solution, develop that, make it release all those to available to the clients. Then I started working with Dash. They are into FinTech industry and develop AI, ML, and big data product. I worked over there as a product manager. Presently, I started working with Betech as a product manager. They are also into FinTech industry. They have group of FinTech product. Also, same time they have their in-house CRM product for internal operations. Most exciting part of my journey. Very recently, I initiated a product platform named Product Management Consulting with a great vision to help product professionals and product startups across the globe. Presently, I am providing global mentorship, consultation in parallel, also creating product management tutorial or session. These are all available over that product management consulting YouTube channel. You are feel free to watch all those. Also, right now I am closely working with few global product groups as a speaker. So this is the most exciting journey being a product guy. And right now we are going to talk about co transitioning into product management. A lot of stuffs are waiting for you guys. Now we will be looking into self-evaluation checklist while transitioning into product management. This is the self-evaluation checklist. This checklist is really helpful to measure ourselves in which stage we are right now and which area we need to work on or we need to scale up. We come up with yes and no. If yes, you are good to go. If no, we have to work on that. Then this is the checklist like problem solving skill. If you are a good problem solver, you are great to go. Cross functional team player, innovative mindset, understanding the product, what problems your product is solving, what is product management, listening to the right audiences, never ending learning process or never ending learning mindset, design thinker, thinking from a user prospect, productized mindset, and background matters. These all points comes under checklist. It's really help us to evaluate ourselves, and these are most important while you are getting into product management or you are planning to transitioning into product management. We will see the key areas into product management, adapting the productized mindset, what is called product, what is product management, product discovery and ideate those pieces, design thinking, and why it's matter into product management. Educate to think from a user prospect, product vision, creating product roadmap, identifying the right audience or right market, how to convert your idea into product proposal, building MVP, minimum viable product, and slowly how you can get into the maturity phase of a product, competitive analysis, product growth, product planning process, software development lifecycle or product development lifecycle, product lifecycle management, agile, scrum, the reason for failure of product or features, benchmark analysis, benefit analysis, what are product metrics and why those are so important, product or feature retirement, pricing model. These all areas are very important or very core into product management. Now I will be talking about few areas which are listed over that key areas into product management. We'll see one by one. Here you can see how product management is correlated with multiple departments like development, sales, legal, finance, research, marketing, support, customer. So you have to work with cross-functional department or team. You can see over here within design thinking how multiple stages are involved, like understanding the problem, developing possible solution, testing, prototyping, refining, and finally implementation. So design thinking is the most important area while you are into product management. You can see over here over software development lifecycle or product development lifecycle, multiple stages are involved like discovery, ideate, strategize, plan, design, implement, deliver, maintenance, and feedback. These are the stages are involved into PDLC or SDLC. Product lifecycle management. There are 5 different stages are involved into product lifecycle management, like product development, introduction, growth, maturity, and decline. These are the 5 stages. Agile Scrum. Nowadays, most of the company they are adapting agile methodology, or others already adopted agile methodology, and few companies they are using hybrid model, like combination of agile and waterfall model. Product matrix and why it's matter into product management. Product matrix mostly used to measure the performance of a product or feature. There are multiple product metrics are available. Here you can see few top product metrics like customer lifetime value, customer acquisition cost, customer conversion rate, average revenue per user, churn rate, monthly recurring revenue, bounce rate, dual time, net promoter score, organic versus paid traffic. What does a typical product manager do? Being a product manager, they are helping to the organization to ship the right product or products to their customer, client, or user and deliver the measurable benefit to the organization level. Also leading or driving the product vision, strategy, design, and execution. Now we will look into the important skills for an effective product leader, like self-starter or taskmaster, user empathy, customer obsession, ability to prioritize, communication skills, ability to evolve or continuous progress, balance between getting it right and getting it out of the door. A typical day for a product leader, like stand ups, clarification of requirement, streaming data analysis, meeting with stakeholders, prioritizing the backlogs, PRD creation, design review, responding email, and supporting the product or products from multiple aspects, and much more. Fast track paths to become a great product leader. I listed few points like stay connected with awesome product people or product leader. Read a lot, write things, explore ideas, attend meetups, seminars, workshops, talk with passionate product professionals, write blog, share innovative thoughts, try to explore into multiple product verticals. These points are really helpful to become a great product leader. Now we will be looking to consumer versus enterprise product management. For consumer product management, everything flows from a user prospect. Scaling and virality matters a lot. Every customer equal to user. User experience always the key parameter. Cycle usually less than 6 months. Same time for enterprise product management, everything flows from the business and buyer prospect. Sales and subscription matters a lot. Ideally, customer not equal to the users. Reliability always greater than usability. And longer sales and dev cycle. Now we will be looking into the comparison of product management in between startups versus big companies. For startup, the biggest challenge is resources. In startup products, most of the time builds for growth. Mostly ad hoc requirement run the projects. Roadmap ideally for 3 to 6 months. Mostly focus on the new features. Product vision most of the time equal to founder's vision. Same time, for the big companies, the biggest challenge is prioritization. Product built for scaling. Formal process run the projects. Ideally, roadmaps for 1 to 2 years. Mostly focus on later stage of product lifecycle. Requirements are drilled from competitive analysis and white spaces. You can see over here, being a product professional, how the growth path looks like. Starting from APM or junior PM to PM, SPM, senior product manager or group product manager, director of product, VP of product, finally CPO or sometimes CEO also. This is the great product journey, or this is the growth path looks like. Over the entire discussion, I just want to tell you, you would be dealing with all those area while you are into product management, and you never feel bored over here. Always you enjoy new things along with great learning. So this is the beauty of product management. Before closing today's session, I just want to tell you one small thing. I already create few earlier tutorial that would be really helpful also while you are transitioning into product management. I talked about over there the key areas into product management, PDLC and SDLC, product matrix, design thinking, and product pricing model. These are the topics I already talked about. You can have a check over there. So these are really helpful. We are almost done for today, and thank you so much for being with me till right now. And please feel free to write me your queries, your suggestion over the comment section. I'll really love to address all those. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.